Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Fabulous 95. And today, we are now out of the Piston Cup Racer portion of the whole Piston Cup week I'm doing. Now, we are on to the Paparazzi and Boardman. Yeah, I'm not good with names. This is not a new release, it's just a re-release, and when I was younger, I didn't really like anything that was not Lightning McQueen. So we got the Easter Buggy, Todd Marcus, Shiny Wax, Ruby, this man, and my names are awful. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Look, subscribe if you want, and this ain't the done. We ain't done because I'm still gonna unbox this thing. Let's get into the review of this guy. He is a very, very small diecast, which is interesting. I find it cool how this car actually has a camera, but it's interesting on how it would work. I'm glad they started doing like the covering the wheel thing for like how they work it. Green color, little mustache grill. He is very small. You can see the top of like the thing in the back. I don't even know what that license plate says. The little cameras are just cool, in my opinion. They keep the cars interesting. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have not already, I'm not even going to say leave a comment anymore because legitimately, YouTube's going to turn off my comments. So I'm kind of debating just to deal with it. Partially. Not really. I'm not going to deal with it. I'll never surrender. But I will see you guys in the next video.